Stage 3. Your goal for this stage is to position the white corners and go from this to this. To get them in the right place, you need to work out where they go by looking at the color and then match them up with the centerpieces, like this. It's a perfect match! So, once you know where it goes, position it directly underneath its final position. If the corner piece is already in the bottom layer, then simply rotate it till it's in the correct position like this. If it's on the top layer, turn it so it lines up on the right face, and try this. Right inverted, down inverted, right. Now you can rotate the bottom part until it's in the correct place. Quick tip. Always hold the piece you want to move at the bottom right. To then get it in the right place, try this. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. You need to keep doing it over and over again until it appears in the right place. Don't give up. Keep going. Persevere. You'll get there. Keep checking so you don't miss the moment where they're all in the right place. Now, find the next white corner and repeat those steps until they're all where they're supposed to be. We've sped it up for demonstration purposes only, but keep going with right inverted, right, down. Now your cube should look like this. And if it does, well done. That's some seriously great cubing. Time to move on to stage 4.